Alright, so I finally got my speakers in the mail. I already mounted the tweeters back here. I'm gonna add a clip onto this one so I can take it off when I take the door panel. Makes it a little easier. I also had to order a different metric kit because this one didn't work. This bracket didn't work. So I ordered one from a BMW, and this supposedly fits. It's pretty much like the Honda, the bolt pattern thing. And these are the speakers. So I was test fitting them yesterday, obviously without the bracket, just to see how they would sound and whatnot. But they look pretty nice. They sound decent, and yeah. This is so far what I have. I made this harness for the crossover. Not a harness, but you know what I mean. And I'm gonna mount the bracket here, see how it fits. This is a crossover. And I'll keep you guys posted. Let me pause the video and